Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level? Today, we're diving into the world of pellet tube smokers. Specifically, we'll explore which model is best for your gas grill. After an extensive 80-hour analysis, we focused on the 12-inch hexagonal stainless steel chassis. This design shines as the standout configuration for supplemental smoke production. Our top pick is the A-Maze N Oval Pellet Smoker. It offers amazing smolder stability, producing consistent smoke for over 4 hours on a single load. Why does this matter? Many cylindrical models can roll and cause airflow problems, leading to unwanted flameouts. The hexagonal and oval shapes maintain a balanced air-to-fuel ratio for optimal performance. We evaluated key specifications through rigorous testing. First, let's talk about material quality. The A-Maze N uses 304 grade stainless steel, superior to the 430 grade steel found in cheaper alternatives. This means enhanced durability and resistance to high heat oxidation. In fact, our tests showed that it retains nearly all its strength after intense burning, while budget models showed signs of weakness. Next up, we examined airflow dynamics. The perforation patterns in the A-Maze N allow for 40% airflow, which is essential for stable smoldering without transitioning to flames. In contrast, other models may facilitate easier ignition but can increase fuel consumption. Chassis design plays a crucial role in maintaining stability in high-temperature cooking environments. The hexagonal shape anchors the smoker and prevents overheating, unlike cylindrical tubes that may shift unexpectedly. So, how do these units perform in real-life scenarios? Our laboratory findings show that the A-Maze N produces a higher smoke density, making it superior for your cooking experience. With an average smoke flux of 450 g per cubic meter over 4 hours, it outperforms other brands. Furthermore, for those interested in cold smoking, the A-Maze N maintains low ambient temperature. It can produce smoke for over 4 hours without affecting the grill's temperature, ensuring a perfect cold smoking environment for cheese, fish, and nuts. However, we must address potential issues. Even the best pellet tube can go out. Our tests revealed that using high-density wood pellets keeps the flame going for the entire duration. In contrast, low-density pellets can cause combustion problems. A simple solution is to angle the tube for the first 10 minutes to prevent flameout. Lastly, maintenance is critical. After 100 hours of use, the A-Maze N showed no signs of degradation post-cleaning. Budget brands struggled with rust and pitting. To summarize, for the best outdoor cooking experience, the A-Maze N Oval Pellet Smoker stands out due to its superior material, airflow dynamics, stability, and performance. Want to elevate your grilling game? Check out the product now and start enhancing your outdoor cooking today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on outdoor cooking gear.